Hey guys, TeamNoSkill here, bringing you a card fight video today. So it's gonna be Spike Brothers versus Great Nature. Alright, so we already paused Mulligan to save time, so... Oh, we need to go first. Alright, I'll go first.
Draw. Well, starting this game off with the G assist.
Oh, so good. Stride Father. And Tiger. And the crit trigger.
Oh yeah, we'll leave it like that. Yeah. Get out of here.
Ooh, Dion hits.
Go ahead.
Draw return. Oh, I should have put that. It's fine. I got 12.
No guard.
Ooh, good power. What?
Ride. 14.
Is this an optional thing?
Yep.
Yeah. No guard.
Go ahead.
Perfect guard. And the damage you... Yeah, perfect. Alright. Damage you right there. Drop turn. Oh god, I want to ride that.
Oh, hello.
That's not good.
Can I punish that later?
No, don't do it.
You right, Theo?
Yeah, I did. 11
No
to
guard.
Vanguard. Perfect guard.
Oh no, researcher. Ride.
He's gonna put everything down to attack it.
Call. Call, give the skill there. Counterblast 1, rest, plus 4. 7.
Guard. 11.
13.
Sure.
First. Crit power.
No defense triggers.
18.
No defense
Go ahead.
triggers at all. This is not good.
The
for-
punish. Oh wait, this dies and I draw.
This is not good for me. Stride or ride? I even rolled the wrong grade. It wasn't good. Skill unflip this. I went flipping Good and Dragger. Was he elemental? Megatrainer skill, retire. I'm gonna add a grade 1 or lower. I'm gonna add Reserver Linus. Let's just hope I can live next turn.
Don't put me at 4 damage and you will.
That's easy. Easy peasy. That's squeezy. This is that. Vanguard.
No guard.
First check. Perfect guard. Second check. Third check. No triggers! Where are my triggers? Go ahead. This is not good. Not good at all.
Stand and draw.
At all. This is not good.
Stride. Cathalogue. Let's see. Call. Call, give a skill to this duckbill. Attack the Vanguard. Cathalogue skill. Plus 4, 15 Vanguard.
Nothing! This is a bad game for
31
me.
Vanguard.
Perfect guard.
Everything. This is 19 skill plus 4, so 23 with a crit Vanguard.
I will G-guard that. 31.
End phase. Draw 2. These 2 retire. Draw 1 more. Go ahead.
Why is this deck treating me so bad today? I haven't done anything to it. Discarding these 2 to stride.
Oh, nice. Right.
Yeah.
Lovely. More heat.
Vanguard.
How much?
31. 21. 31.
2 to hit.
2. Off X draw. Nothing. This is trash. Full van. Try it. I should have known it.
Break Ride. Call. 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 Give the skill there. Seek Mate.
Jesus Christ. 3 crits back. And grade 3. If I live, there's the smallest chance I might win. Smallest chance in the world. My triggers have not been going off at all. Currently at GB5.
Attack Vanguard, break red skill +4, 13. $35 Vanguard, tester skill +4.
Oh, you went stands? Going for that stand trigger.
Power, no
Oh,
heal.
no.
21 Vanguard, break red skill +4, Crayon Tiger skill.
Oh, that fucking
Stand +4.
restands. I forgot about that. I forgot that's a thing. How much is it?
21.
Oh god, I should have ditched this card instead. I would have lived. No, I would have died. 1 damage, right?
Yep.
Nah. Oh, okay, there it goes. Well, that was game 1. We'll start game 2 in a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. There was a great comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time.